are very much free, है ना, freestyle person.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
all right. So you mentioned that you are coming from Bokaro. Please tell me any uh, three minerals that are available in Bokaro, and also about the tribes which are prominent of that place.
Minerals first should be the copper and its mine is Ghatshila mine. Iron ore, Noah Mundi, iron mine, and I think uranium is there also.
Okay,
In the
uranium is the very newest which has been discovered recently.
it is very low in amount in
Low
the
in
Jharkhand.
amount. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
It
all
is,
right.
and the what was that now?
Tribes.
Tribes. Tribes, Santhal tribes, Munda tribes, Tirki tribes.
Santhal, Munda, and
Tirki.
Tirki tribe.
Tirki.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. And how do these people survive? Like, what is their lifestyle and what is their prominent work?
Ma'am, currently there are given reservations, and current situation is very good. There are in our mainstream,
Hmm.
and they do work in the government centers, also in private sectors. They're all coming up to the mainstream. But back then, it
Yes.
was all in jungles and their lifestyle was basically in jungle only.
Okay. So, last month, or I guess 15 days back, we have celebrated the Jayanti of one tribal leader of Jharkhand. Do you remember who is he?
Birsa Munda.
Birsa Munda. Can you tell two, three lines about him?
Ma'am, Birsa Munda was a very prominent tribal leader of Jharkhand. He actually led the movement Ulgulan, which was against the Britishers. What Britishers collaborated with the zamindars in order to snatch away the lands of tribes in the jungles. So he led the movement. He collected the tribes. He gathered the tribes. He told about them that this is wrong, and Britishers also harassed the tribal women. So he led the movement and the jungle warfare that the tribals did with bows and arrows and bhalas, and that's how he fought.
Okay. All right, Gargi. Now, please tell me about your daily routine on a daily basis and the routine that you follow on Sundays. Okay. How do you spend time with your friends and family in your daily life? Yes.
About my daily routine, I wake up between 6 to 7, and then I freshen up and I wear the exercising clothes, and then I do a 20-minute yoga exercise session, and it is available on YouTube. So I see it and I do the exercise. Then I go to the park and I take my copy and pen and mobile phone to solve OIR there. Then I come back and have breakfast. Either I have fruits in breakfast or I cook myself poha, sandwiches like that. And then I start my study session 1 in the morning, and I study. I also interact with my sister, she's also preparing for exams, and we both study together. Also, the news that we gather is from a common channel, so we also discuss news and study together. Then we have lunch. And in lunchtime we talk to our parents because they are back from school. We talk to them on video call, and then I basically myself take some sleep, and she studies, and then I wake up, I do my study session again, and then there is a class, online class that I take. Then I usually take break to talk to my friends. I chat with them, or sometimes I call to them. I discuss with them what they have done and whatsoever chat is going on. Then I start studying again, and then I have dinner, and then I discuss some things with my sister about family, about studies, or anything. Then I again revise a few things, or anything that I find knowledgeable in YouTube. I just go through it, and then I take a good sleep. And then I on Sundays or on holidays, I wake up a bit late, between 7 to 8. I do my exercise in the same pattern. Uh, the only change that I put in the Sunday routine is that I go with my sister to want some snacks outside. So yes, and apart from that, uh, with my family and friends, what kind of time I spend. So in my daily routine, it is reflected that I talk to my sister or family. uh, Basically, when I talk to my parents, it is mostly about आज school में क्या हुआ. So it is like that. And to my about my sister, I talk to her with about the studies, news, and general thing कि आई आज cousin ने call किया, उसने ये बताया, things like that. Then we also do shopping together, online shopping, or we go out. Outings are very frequent between us. Then about my friends, I usually, because both of them live apart, they do not live in Delhi. Gautam lives here, but he also lives far away. But Tanisha is from Rajasthan. So we chat or we talk on phone, and then yeah, that's all.
Okay. So do you have any neighborhood friends also?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. No. And how old is your sister?
Ma'am, she is 22.
And how much gap you two are having?
Ma'am, 4.5 years.
4.5 years. So how is the bond with your sister?
Very good.
Is she a dominating elder sister or she is very cooperative and jolly sister?
No, no, she is very cooperative. Also, she takes care of me emotionally also. Like if I'm having some problem, if I'm वो फेस पे आ जा रहा है कि she is not okay, तो she talks to me.
Okay. All right. So has this happened many times that you are sharing some emotional incident to your sister and she complained the same to the parents, or she's like scolding you for something?
If there is something wrong that I've done, then she'll scold me. Yes, there have. If I can give you an example that I wrote my school exam and I came and said exam is didn't went well and all that. I was just saying yapping like that, and she calmed me down. She told me ki okay, I'll help you or something like that. And then she told my mother that look, she's yapping all the time about this. She's studying enough, but she is having more expectations from herself. So that is not complaining. That is just conveying of message.
Okay. All right. Well enough. You mentioned about the news channels that you and your sister both follows. Which is that channel?
Ma'am, channel is Deepak Yadav Education on YouTube, and he covers the Hindu newspaper.
The Hindu newspaper on a daily basis.
Yes.
Yes. Do you also follow monthly compilations?
Yes, ma'am. The revision videos on Sundays.
Revision videos. So from the same channel only.
Yes, ma'am. It provides Sunday division videos.
Okay.
Yes.
Any other channel that you follow for current affairs or any kind of study material that you follow particularly online?
Ma'am, Target SSB app
Okay.
that is that I follow. I
All
solve
right.
AORs.
Yes, sorry, come again, please.
Reasoning I solve from that app only.
Okay, reasoning you solve. Okay, and for entertainment purpose, how do you utilize your social media platforms or YouTube?
Ma'am, I don't have any account on social media, so I have YouTube and Pinterest. And from Pinterest, I draw. Basically, it gives a lot of cool drawing ideas, so I draw from that. And from YouTube, I watch this web series called Sisters on Filter Copy. It is a very
Sorry,
entertaining
what is
series.
it, sisters?
Web series it is.
Okay, the
Series.
name is Sisters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is what?
It is a web series available on YouTube. So I
Okay,
watch.
fine. How many seasons are there in this web series?
Ma'am, nahin, 3 seasons and fourth is coming
Okay,
yet.
and any other web series that you have watched before and you like that most?
Ma'am, I have watched Family Man,
Hmm.
and the new season has come, but I've not watched that
Okay,
because I'm preparing.
okay. So which character in Family Man you like the most?
Ma'am, Shrikant.
Shrikant. Why?
Because he's the lead, he is very courageous and he takes the responsibility. Even if things go wrong, he is the one that, okay, I will face this situation, and my decisions or my team's decision has gone wrong. That's all okay. And now let's take it from here only.
Okay, all
He
right.
is also very cool and very